If you're experiencing a GPS sync error on your Garmin Connect 2026, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart your device. Turn off your Garmin Connect 2026 and wait for about 10 seconds before turning it back on. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the sync error. Step 2. Check GPS settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your device and ensure that the GPS feature is enabled. Sometimes the GPS may be turned off accidentally, leading to sync issues. Step 3. Update software. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Repair your device. If the problem persists, try unpairing your Garmin Connect 2026 from your smartphone or computer, then repair it. This can refresh the connection and help fix sync errors. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset on your device. Go to the settings menu, find the reset option, and follow the prompts. Be aware that this will erase all data, so back up any important information first. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the GPS sync error on your Garmin Connect 2026. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to Garmin support for further assistance.